Hello, I'll quickly show you how Spine Toolbox works. It's a data flow, data and workflow management tool. Here you see a workflow that starts from some input files. There are energy system model osmosis input files. Here I have a script that will take the data from those files and put them into a Spine database that is following the format of osmosis. You can see the data being processed here. As it's in the database, we can then explore the data, but let's see that later. The next step is that we convert that data from the osmosis format to INES format. INES is an interoperable energy system data specification. You can find it in GitHub. We use it so that we can more easily convert full models between different modeling tools. In this case, we will take it from INES in the next step to the Irina Flex tool, where we will then run it at the bottom of this workflow. But first, let's have a look at the data, what we have there. Like here's a couple of different units. I can filter these things by selecting them here. I could show some graphs, how different things are related here. But I want to show you now very quickly that if I want to run different scenarios, I can create them here. What I'm doing here is that I'm adding a new value for efficiency of a coal power plant. The original value, I need to choose the original value was 32%, and now the new value is 40%. And now I can create a new scenario based on all the original data in the base alternative, and then overlaying the high efficiency on top of that, so I get a new scenario with different values, and then I will run the rest of the workflow. Where I'm first now running those two different scenarios in parallel, and I'm writing files as CSVs. That's what FlexTool requires, and then FlexTool is being executed there in two different parallel streams, and then I get the results to a result database, and then there is finally some plotting. You can of course view the results also directly from the database, or do whatever you want with the data. You could also loop results back and have a more complicated workflows where you are then combining different modeling tools. Thank you.